Okay, here I'm going to show you how I used Gimkit in my classroom during a live Google Meet session for math. So what I did was, the first thing I did was I searched for a kit. Now, if you know what's really popular with kids right now, it's the game Among Us. So I had the kids teach me how to play Among Us back in December, and then I saw that Gimkit was doing a very similar version inspired by Among Us called Trust No One. So I went ahead and I found a Trust No One kit, and then I modified the math to fit what we're working on in class. So what I did was I went ahead and found the kit, and then I just simply wanted to go through some multiplication fact practice. So I added several multiplication facts with the correct answer, and then I finished the kit. So once I finished the kit, then I chose to play live. When you play live, you then want to click the Trust No One logo so that you are playing this game version. And so you can create the number of imposters. I'm keeping it to 2. And then investigations per crewmate. That's where they investigate other classmates to find out who the imposters are and who the crew are. And that's what makes it really exciting through the whole process. And so they earn power points to freeze players and to do different things to players that they suspect as being sus, as they say. And then you can start playing the game. So I share this code, gimkit.com/live, in my Google Meet feed, and then I give them this code. As they enter, their names start to pop up just as Kahoot would, and then we start playing the game live. So I highly suggest using Gimkit. Look for the Trust No One, and then you can modify questions to fit the needs of whatever you're doing in your class. And the kids, I briefly read directions to the kids, but I said, you know what? We're going to problem solve and figure this out together. I had to answer minimal questions throughout the game that we played today. It was awesome. So try out Gimkit, look for a kit called Trust No One, and then you can modify questions to fit the needs of your class. Have fun.